Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 9th of January. And first of all, national news. We're better off in Jammu and Kashmir state, Ladakh leaders to center. PM Modi to launch world's longest river cruise in UP's Varanasi next week. India needs to attract investors exiting China. Devendra Fadnavis. The BSF found at least 5 underground tunnels in about 192 km of the Jammu front in the last 3 years. Nirmala Sitharaman Center to give loans to 9,000 farmers in Rajasthan. Uttarakhand's Joshi Mutt officially declared sinking zone, over 60 families evacuated. India provided 75 buses to Sri Lanka to bolster public transport system. Precautions need to be taken as bird flu cases rise, Kerala minister said. Madhya Pradesh will become $550 billion economy, Shivraj Chauhan. Jallikattu Bull taming event began in Tamil Nadu. PM's office called key meet on sinking Uttarakhand town Joshi Mutt. Connecting India to world, S. Jaishankar praise for country's youth. UP to build museum dedicated to freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad. India now world's third largest auto market after China and US, a report said. Now international news. 7.0 magnitude earthquake strike Pacific nation of Vanuatu. Felt like fever dream. Zero COVID end. China set for homecoming rush. A new lawsuit against social media involves 100 schools in US. Russia bombed Ukraine at midnight after self-proclaimed ceasefire ends. Rishi Sunak called for bold and radical action to end UK healthcare crisis. China ended quarantine for overseas travelers. And thousands protest in Israel against Benjamin Netanyahu's new government. 2 billion people to travel in China's Great Migration over next 40 days. Republican Kevin McCarthy picked US House Speaker after election drama. US said engaging closely with all allies, including India, on Ukraine war. And now some sports news. Taylor Fritz beaten Matthew Brittany as USA win inaugural United Cup. Rahul Tripathi smashed 35 runs off 16 balls in the third T20 international against Sri Lanka. Suryakumar Yadav smashed plethora of records with third T20 international 100 for India. Racer K.E. Kumar died following crash at National Championship in Chennai. Neeraj Chopra set himself target for World Championships, Asian Games 2023 and the final of the Diamond League. And now news related to business. India is growing robustly relative to its peers. There is room to grow further, IMF's Antoinette Sehi. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman defended new tax mechanism gains from old regime simplicity remain. Jack Ma, Ant Group founder, to give up control on fintech giant in Riva. Government got multiple preliminary bids for buying 61% stake in IDBI Bank. India surpassed Japan to become third largest auto market globally. PM Modi asked states to work for formalization of MSMEs. Now news from science and technology. Webb telescope captured Milky Way-like galaxies from a much younger universe. Old NASA satellite falling from sky this weekend. 70% of Florida's coral reefs are eroding. Scientists discovered a new species of ancient marine turtles, largest ever found in Europe. And that's all in news. Thank you.